I would like to report the CEC meeting held on 28 March 2022. The venue was at Rajiv Gandhi Computer Institute, Dhanketi, Shillong. The meeting was chaired by the Vice President, Mr. Lyngkhoi Marwain. The following were the agendas. Agenda number 1, report of the last CEC meeting. Number 2, to create one more post. Number 3, general meeting in Garo Hills. Number 4, letter to the President, Mr. Kenneth Shadap, and the EC members. Number 5, further plans for the agitation. The following are the resolutions extracted from the minutes of the meeting based on the above agendas. The House has decided to create one more post for its office, that is the post of a spokesperson for FASTOM. This post was created in order to avoid confusion and any misleading messages to the public. Hence, Mayborn Lyngdo was elected as the spokesperson for FASTOM. In order to strengthen FASTOM and its demands, the House has decided to hold a general meeting in Garo Hills. For the general meeting is fixed on the 9th April 2022. The House has also decided that all the EC members would attend the meeting in Garo Hills. The House has taken a resolution that no one is allowed to give any message or any press conference on his own opinion regarding the demands of FASTOM. The CEC strongly prohibits any member to give press release without the authorization or knowledge of the CEC of FASTOM, as the office has appointed only Mr. Mayborn Lyngdo to speak on behalf of FASTOM. The letters were drafted and were to be delivered to all the EC members, and if anyone or any member violates the resolution taken by the House, he or she will be dealt sternly by the CEC or is deemed to be impeached. The House has decided to carry out the following plans for the agitation. From 1st April 2022, the Federation will not cooperate anymore with the government's direction related to the sit-in demonstration. Hence, more teachers or members would be involved in the sit-in demonstration. The sit-in demonstration is agreed to be done in the same place, that is MBO's office, till further notice. From the 3rd week of the agitation, that is 4th April 2022, the CEC would declare as the Black Ribbon Week, where all the members of FASTOM will have to wear black ribbons in the entire state. Full-fledged agitation would be launched on 22nd April 2022 at Mulki Ground at 10 a.m. during the rally. After the 22nd April, there will be an indefinite non-cooperation movement where all the classes would be boycott, the boycott of evaluations, boycott of any activities put up by the government. Regarding this, official letters from the office of FASTOM are to be sent to all the school managing committees, requesting them to support FASTOM. Advertisement by all the members of FASTOM to forward messages and update daily news through WhatsApp or WhatsApp status or other plausible platforms. to create short videos based on speeches of the plight of our senior teachers. The meeting was closed with the inspiring and encouraging words of the Vice President, Mr. Lyngkhoi Marwin. The members who came for the meeting were recorded with their signatures in the attendance register of the CEC of FASTOM. Thank you.